And good Tuesday. Even time to take a look here at your weather webcast for today. And we had a pretty good day today after some morning showers that kind of rolled through the air. In fact, let's take a look at the radar picture. You can see a renegade little disturbance moving right across northwest Georgia earlier this morning. Brought just a brief shot of a few light showers, then pushed on off towards the south and east. And we're watching another complex of storms off to the north and west of that should also weaken, but we can't rule out a isolated shower or two moving in as that complex weakens. Now, as we take a look here at the lightning data, you can see a little batch of lightning moving in, but you can see the lightning strikes getting less and less as this whole complex moves towards the south and east. So as we go throughout the evening hours, again, we're expecting this to weaken somewhat as it moves across here, but something definitely to watch out there. Now, overall today was a pretty nice day. We had 87 degrees for a high after a morning low of 63, which is pretty much very close to normal out there, and just about a trace of rainfall at the airport from earlier today, so not really a lot of rain at all out there. Widen the picture out, you're going to be able to see quite a bit of shower and thunderstorm activity well out to our north with the disturbance moving across the north. That's where the frontal boundary is, but for the most part, that frontal boundary is going to take its slow time getting into our area, so we're going to be expecting this nice weather to stick around for a little while. You can see the storm system way out to our north and west, but what happens is in the summer times, they develop these big thunderstorm complexes, and then they move ahead of the front and basically follow a boundary right on down, which is this warm front that's going to be pointing straight to the south. So the storms kind of weaken as they move towards the south and east, but they move across our area because the disturbance is pointing across our area. So this evening, here's the warm front moving off, high pressure building in. That's what's mainly keeping a lid on the atmosphere today and keeping those isolated storms away. But as we go throughout the overnight hours, high pressure shift out of the way. The humidity will increase across the area pretty much throughout your morning time hours. We'll also see a cold front that will be inching in and getting closer to the area, and more afternoon scattered showers or storms should break out during the day on Wednesday and throughout your afternoon Wednesday into Wednesday evening as this frontal boundary kind of stalls across the area. And as it sits across the area over the next several days, we're expecting a few more scattered showers and storms. Now, the Storm Prediction Center has put areas around us and just to our north in a slight risk for tomorrow. Main threats will be damaging winds and small hail, and that's mainly if one of those complexes of storms moves across the area tomorrow afternoon, but not a major severe weather threat by any means. Now, your Riverbend forecast on Friday does have a threat of seeing some afternoon storms throughout the early evening hours, but by the time 9 o'clock rolls around, looks like the weather should be dry and nice with temperatures in the 70s overall. Now, your 7-day forecast shows us a pretty good chance of storms tomorrow, and then just the afternoon storms with that front in the area throughout the rest of the week and into the weekend, but a little better chances of showers or storms by Monday as another front gets to the area, and it's going to be pretty warm as well during the weekend with temperatures warming up to the mid-90s, especially as we head towards your Sunday. That's a look at your webcast for now. Stay with us. We'll see you back here tomorrow.